Get ready for a major Apple shakeup. Rumors are swirling that Apple could unveil 3 new M5-powered devices as early as tomorrow, October 15th, including a potential successor to the Vision Pro. But here's where it gets controversial. Will these be groundbreaking innovations or just incremental upgrades? Let's dive into what we know so far and why it matters. ZDNet's insider scoop: leaked unboxing videos. The upcoming M5 iPad Pro has allegedly been revealed in unboxing videos, hinting at a familiar design sans the iPad Pro branding on the back. Incremental upgrades. All 3 M5 devices, iPad Pro, Vision Pro, and a 14-inch MacBook Pro, are expected to offer modest improvements rather than revolutionary changes. Vision Pro comfort. The new Vision Pro might feature a more ergonomic dual knit band head strap, addressing comfort concerns from its predecessor. According to a recent Bloomberg report by Mark Gurman, Apple is gearing up to launch these devices without a traditional physical event. Here's a breakdown of what's in store. 1. M5 iPad Pro, a powerhouse with dual cameras. The M5 iPad Pro is rumored to pack a punch with a minimum of 12 gigabytes RAM, the new M5 chip, and a unique dual front camera setup, one for each orientation. While specifics on the camera's functionality are scarce, they're expected to enhance video calls in both portrait and landscape modes. Leaked unboxing videos by Russian YouTubers not only confirmed the design, but also teased Geekbench 6 results, suggesting up to 12% faster multi-core CPU performance and a whopping 36% faster GPU compared to the M4 iPad Pro. But is this enough to justify an upgrade? Let us know in the comments. 2. Vision Pro, a second chance at success. Apple's Vision Pro, despite its premium price tag, didn't quite hit the mark with consumers. However, Apple seems determined to refine this product line. The new Vision Pro is rumored to come in a sleek space black color and feature the more comfortable dual knit band head strap. It's also speculated to include an R2 chip for better input processing, though earlier reports suggest TSMC's 2nm process chips won't be ready until next year. Is Apple's persistence with the Vision Pro a smart move, or should they pivot to other innovations? 3. 14-inch MacBook Pro, a chipset boost. Gurman also hints at a new 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M5 chip, arriving ahead of the M5 Max and M5 Pro models. This entry is expected to focus solely on the chipset upgrade, with no major design changes. Is this a missed opportunity for Apple to introduce more significant features? Looking ahead, the higher-end MacBook Pro models with M6 processors, still 2 generations away, are rumored to bring more substantial changes, including a touchscreen, OLED display, and cellular connectivity in a thinner design. Additionally, Gurman mentions that updates to the HomePod Mini, Apple TV, and AirTag are in the pipeline, though timelines remain unclear. What's next for Apple? This M5 product cycle is reportedly just the beginning. Apple is expected to follow up with an upgraded entry-level iPad, iPad Air, Studio Display, iPhone 17e, and M5 MacBook Air in early 2026. With so many releases on the horizon, which device are you most excited about? And do you think Apple is spreading itself too thin? As we await the official announcements, one thing is clear: Apple is doubling down on its Pro lineup. But whether these updates will resonate with consumers remains to be seen. What's your take? Are these incremental upgrades worth the hype, or is Apple playing it too safe? Share your thoughts below.